In order to do this problem, we're going to complete the square. Notice I've rewritten the original, putting the x's together, the y's together, and I've left a space because I'm going to try to figure out what number, if I add to this, would make us have a perfect square factor. So I'm going to take 2, divide by 2, and get 1 and square that 1. Well, that's still 1. But what that allows me to do then is to factor x squared plus 2x plus 1 into x plus 1 squared. Same thing here. I'll take negative 4, divide it by 2, and get negative 2. When I square that, I get 4. And now I have y squared minus 4y plus 4, which can be factored into y plus 2 quantity squared. These are two perfect squared factors. But notice on the left-hand side, I added a 1 that wasn't there before, and I added a 4 that wasn't there before. So in order for this to be equivalent, I need to add 1 from here and 4 from here. And so now I have all of this equaling 9. Well, all this means is this is a circle with a center at negative 1 in the x, and y equals negative 2, and a radius of 3. And so our answer would be, looking for it, this wouldn't be x plus 2, this should have been x minus 2. That's the only way that we could get this factored, to have a negative 4 in the middle. So we are looking at A is the answer.